Hello, good morning. Yes, students, good afternoon. How are you all? Fine? Good? So let us start with today's lecture. बच्चों start करें. तो कैसे हो सभी? All fine? All are good. Students, tell me. Yes, Purna, good afternoon. Tanzila Sheikh, good afternoon बच्चे. And Nandini Madhu, good afternoon बच्चे. All of you, a very good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all of you बच्चों. So in time and work, students, we started with time and work, and in time and work part 1, what we did, I'll quickly tell you what we did in time and work 1, then we'll elaborate time and work 2, how it will be done today. Okay, so time and work 1 was based upon the concept of combined work of 2 or 3 persons A, B, C. So how the combined work is done by 2 or more than 2 persons. Okay, so this was the concept regarding. Yes, Mohana, good afternoon bache. So this was the concept bache regarding time and work 1, and second concept that we did was in efficiency based questions. Efficiency based questions we did in time and work 1. So this was the total curriculum of time and work first part that we did. Okay, and we start today with time and work part 2. Time work part 2, and what are the ingredients or the contents of time and work part 2 that we'll discuss first. Okay, so the first part will be bache, when men or women leaving the work and alternate means one after another, alternately they are doing the work. So how will we manage this kind of situation? Okay, second will be man days, work, efficiency and hours. When these things are given, how you handle the questions. So we'll be dealing with 2 types of concepts today, and if the time permits, then third type, that is contractor and garrison based questions. Contractor and garrison based questions we will do. Okay, so let us start with the first type, and we'll end up with doing first, second and third type of time and work 2 if time permits, and if you are able to understand the concepts really quickly, then we'll be able to solve these 3 conceptual concepts today itself. Okay, all right. So I hope all the students have joined. There are less students, I think. Maybe the change in schedule was not conveyed to all of them, or maybe they are not able to join at this point of time, maybe. So they will watch the video afterwards. Okay, so bache, let us start with today's lecture. So today's lecture, time and work, we'll be dealing with part 2, time work part 2. Okay, second part, and this part is basically, first part we'll deal with is men leaving the work and men working alternatively. Men or women, they leave the work or they work alternately one after another. So how it is done, let us see in the coming conceptual knowledge. Okay, coming concept, let us see how the men leave and how they work alternatively one after another. All right, so let us start with today's lecture. Okay, so let us take a situation, students. Let us take a situation. Situation says A does the work in 10 days, B does the work in 15 days. Okay, the situation that we are taking. Yes, students, let us see the situation, what it is. For 2 days, A and B work together. For 2 days, A and B work together, and then after that, A left the job. Okay, A left the job. So B will finish the remaining work in how many days? B will finish the remaining work in how many days? This is the concept, this is the question. And total work gets complete in how many days? Total work gets complete in how many days? These are the two questions that we need to discuss. Okay, so this is the concept that we'll do today. Okay, so let us start with today's concept and let us see. Okay bachcho, let us see how this question is done and how we gonna take this concept as. Okay, let us draw this line first. Whenever this kind of question, leaving wale question jab bhi aate hain bachcho, so we draw a line first and here we draw one point. Okay, so firstly for 2 days A and B work together. So A and B started working together and for 2 days they worked, and then A left, so B is working now, so B will do the remaining work in how many days, and total work is done in how many days? That means 2 plus question mark is total work done. Okay, so 2 plus question mark will be total days that the work lasted for. Okay, so first is this question, second is this question. All right, so how we take this concept, let's see. Firstly, whenever the question of time and work is there, firstly the first thing that we do is you will draw this and then you will take the LCM of 10 and 15, that is 30. So this 30 is the number of tables that they need to make. This is the project that is given to them. Okay, so this 30 divided by 10 is 3 is the efficiency tables per day he will make, and he will make 2 tables per day. This is the efficiency of A and B together. Okay, so per day they both will make 5 tables. So this is 3 and this is 2, so 3 plus 2 is 5 per day. So in 2 days they will make total 10 tables here. Okay, so 10 tables are made in this point of time. At this point of time 10 tables are made out of total 30 tables. So out of 30, 10 are made, so 20 are left, so 20 will be here. So 20 has to be made by B, who makes every day, he makes 2 tables. So if he makes 2 tables every day in one day, so 20 table he'll make in how many days? So 2 is made in 1, so 20 will be made in, this is 10 times, so this will be made in 10 days. So the question mark value will be 10, so this value will be 10, and this total value will be 10 plus 2, that is 12 is the right answer. So this 10 and this 12 will be the right answer. Okay, so is it fine? Are you getting the things or not? Please tell me in the comments bacho. So if this question is there, then 10 is the right answer. If this is there, then 10 plus 2 days here, 10 plus 2 days means 12 will be the right answer. So this is the method how we solve such kind of questions. Okay, whenever we are given such kind of question, we take the LCM first, then we take the efficiency. This is 3, this is 2, so every day they make 5. So in 2 days time they will make 10 tables. So out of 30, 10 is made, so 20 is left over for B. So B has the efficiency of 2 tables per day, so every day he makes 2, so 2 will come out to be 20 in how many days? 10 days will be done. Okay, so is it clear? Purna says clear, Madhu says clear. Okay, very good bache, bahut badhiya. So now we're gonna see another type of question that is there. Okay, so first tell me, is it clear for all of you or not? Tell me in the comments bacho, is it clear for all of you? Then we'll start with the next concept. The next question I will give on the same concept. Okay, so let us see. It's clear to all of you? Okay, so let us see. A does the work in 10 days, B does the work in 15 days. Okay, A and B work together for 3 days, and after 3 days B left. Now B is leaving, so A will be working. Okay, so A will do the remaining work in how many days, and total work will be done in how many days? Total work in how many days? Okay, this is the concept, this is the question that is asked. Okay, based on the same concept that I told you. Okay, so now do it fast, quickly do it and tell me the right answer, bacho. Tell me what will be the right answer. Okay, yes bacho, tell me. So we first take the LCM of both these values. This is 30, definitely this is 30 only, so this is 3 and this is 2. Okay, we start from here. A and B worked for 3 days, then B left, so A will be working, so A will do the remaining work in how many days? This is the question mark. Okay, first this is 3 efficiency and this is 2 efficiency and this is 3 efficiency. 3 plus 2 will become 5 efficiency. That means total per day they will make 5 tables. So in 3 days they will make 3 into 5, that is 15 tables they will make till here. So out of 30, 15 work is done, so 15 will be left. So 15 will be done by A. A takes 3 tables, A makes 3 tables per day in 1 day. So 15 will be done in how many days? This is 5 times, so this also becomes 5 times, that means 5 days. So this question mark will be equal to 5. So this question mark will be equal to 5 and total work lasted for how many days? 5, and this 3, 5 plus 3 is 8 days is the right answer. This is 5, this is 8. So this will be the right answer. So Madhu says 5 correct, Purna 5 correct, Pia 5 correct, Nandini 5 correct. But very good, done, complete. Okay, and the total work will be done in 8 days is the right answer. Okay, so in this manner, this is 5 and this is 8 will be the correct answer for this kind of question. Okay, so in this kind of question we will be applying this efficiency technique and we will be solving them in this manner. Okay, so let us solve a few of the questions. Mohina correct, 5 days, bache, very good, and total will be 8 days, correct. Madhu says 8 days, correct. Purna 8 days, correct answer, bache, very good. Pia total work in 8 days, very good, correct answer, bache, very good. So in this way we will be able to solve such kind of question. Okay, so I'll make you practice a few of the questions in the form of from your assignment book itself. So let us see a few questions based on these. Let's see this question now. The first question that is coming onto your computer screen is question number 19, bache. Okay, A can do a piece of work in 20 days. Firstly, write down what is given. A in 20 days, B in 12 days. This is given. Okay, now what is given is B worked at it for 9 days. So B alone is working at it for 9 days first, and A will finish the remaining work in how many days? This is asked. Okay, this question is asked to you. So how will we calculate such kind of question? Firstly, we take the LCM of both the values. This is 60. If this is 60, bache, this is 3 and this is 5. So he makes 3 tables per day and he makes 5 tables per day. Okay, so if he is making 5 tables per day, bache, so 5 into 9 will give us 45. He already made it. He already made, B made 45 tables out of 60. So what is left over is 15 is left over. So 15 will be done by A, who makes 3 in 1 day. So 15 will be in how many days? This will be 5 times, this is 5 days. So for the first answer, 5 days, that means question mark will become 5 days is the right answer, bache. Pawan, A and B can do a work in 35 days if A alone 4/7 of the work and remaining done by B. Okay, this way they will complete in 114 days. Okay, I'll take this question also, but first do these. Pawan, I'll take this question also. Okay, but first do this question, that is question 19 is given in front of you. First do this and then I will do such this question that you have asked. A and B can do a work in 35 days. Okay, this question I will take, but first do this question. Is this question clear or not? Tell me in the comments if 19th is clear to you. Surely, Pawan, I will answer your question also. Okay, have patience a little. First do 2-3 questions and then I'll tell you this question, and then it will be very comfortable for you to understand. Okay, but first practice 2-3 questions based on this concept. So Nandini, 5 answer is correct. Madhu, Purna, Priya, 5 answer is correct. Definite, absolutely correct, bache. So let's move on to question number 20th first. Okay, then I'll take up the question posted by Pawan. Okay, so first tell me this question. Question number 20. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 and 18 days respectively. A worked at it for 6 days. A worked at it for 6 days and then B finished it. In how many days B will finish the remaining work? Okay, so A does the work in 12 days, B does the work in 18 days. Now A started the work and worked at it for 6 days, then B finished the work in how many days? Okay, take the LCM first. This is 36, this is 3, and this is 2. So this is 3. Every day 3, 6 days. In 6 days he will do 18 of the work. Out of 36, 18 is done. So 18 is left. So 18 will be done by B, who does 2 in 1 day. If 2 in 1 day, so 18 will be 9 days. So this answer will be 9 days is the right answer. So for 20th question, B option bache will be the right answer. So Madhu Sudhan says 9 days. Very good. Correct answer bache. Bahut badhiya. Perfectly right answer given. Perfect answer bache. 9 days is the absolutely the right answer. Okay. Okay, so let's now do this question, 21st question. First you do this, then I will take up the question posted by Pawan. Okay, okay. So I hope 19th, that is 5 answer is clear, 20th answer is 9 is clear. Now do 21st question. Let's see this question now. 21st question says A and B can do a piece of work in 16 and 24 days respectively. A worked it for 10 days and B finished it. In how many days will B finish the remaining work? Okay. This is the question that is given. So do this question and then we go to the next one. Okay. Okay, so student, let us see 21st question. 16 days A does the work and B does the work in 24 days. This is done by A, this is done by B. Okay, now A worked it for 10 days, so the total LCM of these two is basically 48. So this is 48 divided by 16 is 3 and 48 divided by 24 is 2. Okay, now A worked it for 10 days, so A does the work in for 10 days, so 10 into 3 he will make 30 tables. He will complete the work as 30. Out of 48, 30 is done, 18 is left. 18 will be done by B, and B with an efficiency of 2 in 1 day will do 18 in 9 days. So this again will be equal to 9 days is the correct answer. So this question again, 21st question, 9 will be the right answer. So Pawan, 9 is correct. Nandini, 9 is correct for the 21st question. Yes, Pia, Purna, Madhu, Pawan, Nandini, Mohana, correct answer. Very good. Okay, so this was the type when they are coming alone, like the question posted by Pawan. He says alone they are working. So alone is this concept. Okay, let's do one more question in which combined they are coming, like this. Question number 22. A can do a piece of work in 20 days. A does the work in 20 days. B does the work in 25 days. A and B started the work and B left the work after 10 days. So this time A plus B both are coming together. Okay, and B left the work after 10 days. So after 10 days B left, so A does the remaining work. In how many days A will do the remaining work in? Okay, so let's do this one, then we'll go further. Okay, so this is question number 22nd, sorry. This is question number 22nd. Do this question, then we'll go to the next question. Yes, students, tell me. So A does the work in 25 days. So we take the LCM of both. This is 100. This is 100 divided by 20, that is 5. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So this is 5, this is 4, and this is 5. So this is total work, that is 9 per day, and in 10 days they will make 90 tables here. So 10 is left. So 10 will be done by A. So A does 5 in 1 day. So 10 will be in 2 days. So 10 will be done in 2 days. So this question mark, value of question mark is 2 days is the right answer. Okay. So 2 days means A does the remaining work in 2 days. B option will be the right answer. Very good. Correct answer. Pawan, Madhu, Pia, Nandini, correct answer. Purna, very good. Correct answer, bache, very good. So for 22nd question, 2 is the right answer. Now do question 23rd and 24th. These are also easy questions, but the okay, these are easy questions. There is one option mistake in one of the questions, I will tell you, but this is okay and this is also okay. They are both okay. Now do 23rd and 24th. 23rd question first and then bache 24th. Okay. Now do this question fast and then we'll solve another question. Okay. Now do this question now. 23rd question. What is the answer? Tell me fast. Okay, let's see question 23rd. A can do a certain piece of work in 24 days. B can do a piece of work in 40 days. A and B started the work. A and B started working together. So the total LCM will be the total LCM will be 120. 120 divided by 25 is 4, divided by 24 is 4, 120 divided by 40 is 3. Okay, now who all are working? Let's see. A and B started the work, and after 12 days B left, so A is still working. So in 12 days they will do how much? 12 into 8, that is 96. That is 96 work they will do. So till here 96 work is done. So remaining is 24. So 24 will be done by A. A does 5 work in 1 day. So 24 will be in how many days? So 5 work in 1 day means 1 work will be 1 by 5 days. Okay, or what we can do is directly you can solve this out as this is efficiency is 5. So efficiency of A is 5 and total work given to is 24. So you know that total time taken will be equal to work done divided by efficiency. So work given to him, to A, is 24 and his efficiency is 5. So total he will take how many days? 24 upon 5. So 24 upon 5 will be 4. 4 by 5 is the right answer. So 4 by 5 yani A option is the right answer. Okay, so A option is the right answer. All right, clear? Is it fine? Yes, students, is it okay? Clear? Any doubt? You can ask me in the comments if you have still any doubt. Otherwise, we continue with the next question now. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Yes, 4 by 5 correct answer. Mohina says 4 by 5 correct answer. Bache, very good. Pavan says 4 by 5 right answer. Purna, Madhu, Nandini correct answer. Bache, very good. So 12 days 24th. Okay, so we'll take the 24th question now, but first I hope this is clear. 23rd question is clear. Now we go on to 24th question. Okay, let's do this question now. 24th question. Let's see how it's to be done. A can do a piece of work in 32 days. A 32, B 48. A and B started the work and B left the work after some days. A and B started the work. This is done by A plus B and B left after some days. So A does the remaining work in 12 days. So bacha, this time this is not given, this work is given. So we start the question from this place. Okay. So firstly we'll take the LCM of both these, that is 96. This is 3 and this is 2. So how you take up the LCM? Let's see. Let us suppose that you want to take the LCM of 32 and 48. First cancel the these two values by a common factor, that is 16. Okay, 16 you cancel. This is 2 and this is 3. Okay, so you cross multiply. You multiply this by this or multiply this by this. 48 into 2 is 96. 32 into 3 is also 96. So 96 will be the LCM. Okay, so what we do for two numbers, we take their ratio. We take the ratio and then we cross multiply. Then we can get the your LCM. Okay, 96 is the LCM. 96 divided by 32 is 3. 96 divided by 48 is 2. Okay, so this is bache 3 and this is 2. This is 3. So he does 3 work every day. In 12 days he will work how many? How much work he will do? He will do 36 work. So out of 96, 36 is done. So left over will be 60. So 60 will be done by A and B together. So A and B together does 5 work in 1 day. So 60 will be done in how many days? This is 12 times. So this is also 12 times. So this is 12. So this question mark answer will be 12 is the right answer. So 12 means B part, yani 24th. B is the right answer, bache. Very correct. B is right. 24, 12 days is the right answer, bache. Very correct. Good answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now we solve next question, that is 25th question. Now do this question now. 25th. The options for these, and this question is not clear. This question is not right. So leave this question. Okay, the framing of this question is not correct. So leave this question and do 25th and 26th. The options for this is are not right. Okay, so cancel these options and try to give me the answer for question number 26, okay, and 25 as well. So first 25th question says A does the work in 16 days, B does the work in 40 days, A and B started the work together. Here they start, and after some time B left, so A is working, A does the remaining work in 20 days. So this is the question that is given to us, okay. So let us see how we start this question. So we start the question from here. So first we take the LCM, 60 and 40, this is 80. 80 into 5, 16 into 5 is 80 and 40 into 2 is 80. So this is 5 and this is 2. This is 5. So 20 into 5, the total work here done will be 100. Okay, so take this as, okay, this question also has a mistake. This is 40 and this is 16. Correct this question, bache. This is 40 and this is 16. Okay. This is 40 and this is 16. So the efficiencies will also change. Okay. So invert the values. This is 40 and this is 16. The LCM is 80. This is 2 and this is 5. So this is 5. This is 2. This is 5 and this is 2. So work done here will be 40. 20 into 2 is 40. So out of 80, 40 is done. 40 is left. So 40 will be done by both. So they do 7 work in 1 day. So 40 work will be in how many days? The work given to them is 40 and their total efficiency is 7. So they will take 40 by 7 days to complete the remaining work. So A and B worked for how many days? A and B worked for how many days is 40 by 7 is the right answer in this case. Okay. A is 40 and yes, correct Pavan, you are absolutely right. A is 40 and B is 16. Okay. So in this manner, answer will be 40 by 7 days is the right answer. Okay. Clear? So Pia, Nandini, correct answer. Very good. So 40 by 7 or we can say 5 by 7, Purna, correct answer. Very good. Okay. Now do this kind of question. This is a little different question than the above. Okay. Now try to do this question 26 and then I'll tell you how to solve such kind of question. Okay. So let's see question number 26. Let's see question number 26. You can cancel the option. These are actually wrong, copied, typing mistake. So this is not right. Some typing mistake is there in the options. So might have this option being copied here. Okay. Might be this. So 26 question, let's see what is the right answer and how we're gonna do such kind of questions. So A does the work in 12 days, B in 16 days, A and B started, B left. B left means A is working still. The whole work gets completed in 7 days. So this total work gets completed in 7 days. Okay. So we are asked that A and B work for how many days? This is the question mark that is asked. Okay. You need to solve such this question and you need to calculate the value of question mark here. Okay. First take the LCM, that is 48. 48 divided by 12 is 4. 48 divided by 16 is 3. So this is 4, this is 3 and this is 4. Okay. So try to do this question now and then I'll tell you the right answer, how to do it. Okay. Yes, bache, tell me how we approach such kind of question. Let's see, bache. So this is A is working for the whole time. So let's see how we start with such kind of question. A is working here also and A is working here also. So for complete 7 days, A is working. So A will do in 7 days. Every day he works for 4, he makes 4 tables. So in 7 days he will make how many tables? 28 tables, or 28 work is done by A alone. So out of 48, 28 is done. So remaining will be 20. So this remaining 20 work has to be done by B, because total work of A is complete now. So we have taken all the work done by A. So now the work left is for B. So for B, the total work left over is 20 and B's efficiency is 3. So time taken will be 20 by 3. That means 2 by 3 days will be taken by B alone. So this will be the right answer. Pia says 2 by 3. Very correct, Pia. Very good. Right answer is, bache, 2 by 3 is the right answer. Okay. So tell me in the comments if this is clear or not. So in this kind of question, what we do is we take the complete work of the person who is working for whole time. Okay. This is 28 and we subtract from 48 minus 28. This is 20. 20 will be done by B. So 20 by 3 will be 2 by 3. That means B will take 2 by 3 days to complete the when he was there. So he was there for 2 by 3 days. That means A and B together were for 2 by 3 days, and for the next 1 by 3 days A was alone. So this was for 1 by 3 days and this was 2 by 3 days. So total will become 7 days is the right answer. Okay. So in this manner we will be able to solve such kind of question. I hope this is clear. 2 by 3 is the right answer. Correct. Very good. Purna's right answer. I hope this is clear to all of you. First tell me, did you understand this question or not, bache? Then only we will be able to go to the next one. First tell me if this is clear or not. This is clear. We move on to the next question. Yes, clear? Okay, Madhu says clear. Okay, very good. Chalo. So do cancel this question. This is a wrongly framed question. So we can cancel this and we move on to the next question, that is question number 28. Let's do this one now. This similar type of question, same type and same approach kind of question. Okay. So we apply the same approach in this. A does the work in 20 days. B does the work in 24 days. A and B started the work. A plus B and B left. So A is working. The whole work gets completed in 15 days. So this is 15. Okay. And A and B worked for how many days? This is the question mark that is we need to calculate. Okay. So let us start how we gonna do such kind of question. First take the LCM. The LCM will be 120 or 120. This is 6 and this is 5. This is 6. This is 5. This is 6. So we cancel the work done by A first. So A is for the whole time. So A does the work. He does 6 work every day, and in 15 days he will do 90 total work. 90 work is done. Okay, so out of 120, 90 is done. So remaining is 30. 30 will be done by B. So efficiency se divide karenge. 30 total work divided by efficiency will give us time. So he was there for 6 days. That means A and B worked at it for 6 days together. So A and B together were for how many days? 6 days is the right answer, bache. So A and B worked at for how many days? 6 days is the right answer. Correct. Pia 6 days right answer. Purna 6 days right answer, bache. Very good. Yes. Nandini 6 answer is correct. Yes, Pavan. Madhu. Mohana. Madhu 6 answers right. Very good. Now those who have completed should can go on to the next question, that is question number 29 and 30. Do it fast, then I'll tell you the approach for alternate method, and then we'll solve one question posted by Pavan also. Okay, that I'll solve. Okay, first do this question, question number 29. Okay bache, let us see question 29. Is it done? Tell me bache, 29th question. A can do a certain job in 25 days. B alone can do it in 20 days. A and B started the work. A plus B, and A left the work after 5 days. So B is working, so A left after 5 days. Okay, so in 5 days how much work will you do? Let's take the work as total 100. So this is 4 and this is 5, this is 4, this is 5, this is 5. So 4 plus 5, 9, 9 5s are 45. So 45 work will be done. So this is 55 work total, and efficiency is 5. So 55 by 5 is 11. So 11 days he will take more. So the work lasted for how many days? For 11 this and 5 this. So 16 days bache will be the right answer. So Madhu, 16 is correct. 29th, Purna, 16 is correct. PR, 16 is correct. Okay, Madhu, you need to check the question what he is asking. So the work lasted for how many days? 16 days is the right answer. Okay, Pawan, 16 is correct bache, very good. Okay, let's see question 30th now. Let's see question number 30. Now do this question. Similar type of question. A can do in 10 days, B 20 days. They started the work, but after 5 days A leaves off. Similar question. 20 is the LCM. This is 2 and this is 1. A and B started, and after 5 days A leaves off. So in 5 days, with an efficiency of 2 and 1, with an efficiency of 3, they will work. 15 work is done. So now 5 is left. 5 left for B. So 5 by 1 is 5 days. So it will be 5 days is the right answer here. So B will do the remaining work in 5 days. Similar question, same concept, same type and similar approach. Everything is same. So you need to give me the answer very fast. Okay. So this is question number 30th. Let's do one more question now. Do question number 31. This is a little different approach. So try to do this question 31, and then I'll tell you how the okay, 31 and 32. You need to do these two questions. A leaves off and B leaves left. Okay, and 33 also. Do these three questions now. First, we will do question number 31. How we start such kind of question. A can do a work can complete a work in 40 days. Okay, first what is given we'll write down. A worked it for 5 days, and B came and B finished it in 21 days. In how many days can A and B together? So A and B together will complete the work in how many days? This is required. Okay. All right. So try to solve this. Pia says 15. Okay. Okay, bache. Let us see. We are given 3 values of days, 1, 2 and 3. Because this is alone, B work is not given, B's days is not given, nor is A plus B days is given. So we need to, we'll take the LCM of 40, 5 and 21. So what is the LCM of 40 and 5 first? You know that 5 is included in 41. So you cannot, you need not take the LCM of 5. So we take the LCM of 40 and 21. That is 40 into 21. That is 840. Let's say that 840 chairs was the contract, was the project that was given. So he took 40 days. So his efficiency is 21 bache. His efficiency is to make 21 chairs per day. So his efficiency is 21. He worked it for 5 days. So he made how many chairs? 105 chairs he made till here. Okay, out of 840, 105 is complete. So remaining will be 735 chairs is remaining. This is the work that is remaining. So 735 work is remaining and days is given 21. So we'll calculate the efficiency of B, that is 735 total work divided by its efficiency. 3s are 5s are. So this efficiency is 35. So efficiency of B is 35, A is 21 and B is 35. So total efficiency will be 56. Now we need to calculate how many days will A and B together take. So total work bache is 840 and the total efficiency is 56. So this divided by this will give us total time taken by both A and B. So this is 8 7s are 56 and this is 120. So this goes, this is 15. So 15 will be the right answer. So 15 is the right answer for this kind of question. So we can do this question in this manner. And moreover, I'll tell you one more technique for this. So first try to get this technique. What is there? We calculate the LCM of this and this, that is 840. 840 divided by 40 is 21. So this efficiency is 21. 21 into 5 is 105. 840 minus 105 is 735. 735 divided by 21 is 35. So total efficiency is 56. 840 divided by 56 is 15 is the right answer. Okay. So this is one of the technique, but this is not the only sole technique. Let's see one more technique. But if this technique is clear, tell me in the comments it is clear or not. Then I'll tell you another method to solve such kind of question. Okay. First tell me in the comments if it is clear or not. But you tell me in the comments if this is clear. Then we move on to the next method, second method for this same question. Yes, tell me, is it clear? Let's see second method. A does the work in 40 days and A worked at it for 5 days. So in 5 days he will do 1/8 of the total work. He will do 1/8 of the total work. Total days he took was, he completed the work in 40 days and in 5 days he will do 5 out of 40, that is 1/8 of the work is done. Now the remaining will be 7/8. So this 7/8 work is done by B in 21 days. 7/8 work is done by B in 7 days. So 7 these are. So this is one work, complete work will be done by 24 days, in 24 days. So the question now comes to this point that A does the work in 40 days, B does the work in 24 days, and A plus B does the work in how many days? This is the question that comes now. So this is much simpler approach than that. So sometimes LCM approach is better, but sometimes the part of work that is done is complete, that is 1/8 is done and the remaining is 7/8, and 7/8 will be done by B alone in 21 days. So 7/8 takes 21 days, so 1 will take 3 days, so 8 will take 24 days. So complete one work will take 24 days to complete the work. So A will take 24 days, so the LCM of this will be 120, this is 3 and this is 5. So A and B total efficiency is, total work is 120 and total efficiency is 8. So 120 by 8 will give us 15 is the right answer. Okay. So in this kind of question, we can apply this technique also. This is much simpler and easier to implement. Okay. So you can do this by this method or by LCM method also you can do, but that becomes a little calculative more. Okay. You can do this by this type of technique. Okay. Is it clear? Now it is clear. Okay. So shall we go on to the next question, 32nd question. First do this question, students. Try to analyze what is given. A 20, B 15 and C 20. They started the work together. They are doing the work together. But after 2 days A leaves off. 2 दिन के बाद A leaves off. And after 3 days C leaves off. B will do the remaining work in how many days? Okay. Okay. Clear? So try to get what situation is given to you, and according to the situation, try to get to the solution for this. Okay. Now do this question number 32 and then 33rd. Okay. 32nd question, bache. Try to give me the answer for 32nd. Firstly, who all are working? Let's see. A plus B plus C. And then after 2 days, A leaves off. That means B plus C is working. And then after 3 days, C leaves off. That means B is alone is working here. So, bache, in this question, this is the important point, that is A leaves off and after 3 days. This is the most important line in this question. This is the most trickiest line, and this is the most important line where students do mistakes. Okay, student make mistake in this line. This is a very important line. After 3 days, अगर बच्चों यहां पर होता after 3 more days, after 3 more days means 3 more days we would have taken, but there is nothing mentioned like more, so that means we cannot take 3 as this, and after 3 days means 3 days from the starting. So from the starting 3 days is this. So out of 3 this is 2, so this will be 1. If this point is clear, this is the most important point. If this point is clear, then this question is easy. We need to calculate this days. We know that A is 10, 15 and 20. The LCM of all these values will be equal to 60, and 60 divided by 10 is 6. This is 4 and this is 3. So we have their efficiency. You can calculate. This is 6, 4 and 3. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 12. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13. So 13 is the efficiency. 13 into 2, that is 26 work is done over here. This is 26 work is done from here to here. Okay. And 1 day more by 4 and 3, that is 7. 7 into 1 is 7 work is done here. So total till here 3 days, 26 plus 7, that is 33 work is done. So out of 60, 33 is done. So 60 minus 33 is 27. So 27 work will be done by B alone. So B alone does 4 work. So 27 will be done by 27 divided by 4. This is total work divided by efficiency. This is time. That is 6 3 by 4. So total days will be 6 3 by 4 plus 3. That means 9 3 by 4 will be the right answer. Okay. Okay. 9 3 by 4 correct answer. Pavan, very good. Nandini, correct. Pavan, Pia, correct answer. Purna, correct answer. All have the right answer. Very good, bache, correct answer. Okay. Now this is 9 3 by 8, 9 3 by 4. Now we'll start with 33rd question. Let's see question number 33. Okay. A can do a piece of work in 12 days, B in 15 and C in 20 days. Okay. They started the work together, but after 3 days they started matlab A, B, C all started the work, and after 3 days A leaves off. That means B and C are working, and B left 3 days before the completion of the work. So if the work gets complete here, so B left off 3 days before. So this is 3. So B left off here. That means here C is working. So we know this. We can calculate this. Okay, how? Let's take the LCM. This is 60, this is 5, this is 4, this is 3. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12, this is 12. 12 into 3 is 36. 36 work is done here. Okay, and for 3 3s are 9 is done here. So 36 plus 9 is 45. So 45 work is done by these two parts. So work remaining is 15. 15 done by 4 plus 3, that is 7. So this is their efficiency, this is the work. So time will be 15 by 7. That means 2 1 by 7. Okay, so this question mark is 2 1 by 7. So in how many days will the work get complete? So this is 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, and this is 8 1 by 7. Yani D option is the right answer, bache. Very good. Correct. Madhu, Pia, Nandini, correct answer, bache. Very good. So this is 8 1 by 7 will be the right answer, bache. Very good. Correct answer. All are correct. So this is one type of question. Let's see alternate type of question, bache. Alternate type of question. First, focus here what I am telling you. Alternatively. Alternate means one after another. One after another. That means firstly A will be coming. Let's not focus on this question. Let me give you one question. A does the work in 10 days, bache. B does the work in 15 days. Okay, A does the work in 10 days and B does the work in 15 days. Let's see what happens. They come alternately starting with A. Starting with A, firstly A comes and they come alternatively, means that A comes first, then B, then A again, then B and A again, and so on. They come alternately. Alternate means one after another. First he comes, they don't want to work together, so first he comes, then B, then A, then B, and so on. Okay, so we need to find out how many days they will take to finish the work. First we take the LCM. 10 and 15 LCM will be 30. This is 3 and this is 2. So efficiency of A is 3. That means he will come and he will do 3 work here, and B will come and B will do 2 work here, and 3 work here, 2 work here, and so on, like this. So total in 2 days, because this is the process that is repeating. So if we take this is 5 work is done in 2 days time. 5 work is done in 2 days time. We'll write down like this, and we need to complete the work of 30. So this 30 is an exact multiple of 5. Why I am telling you this, bache? Sometimes this may not be an exact multiple of 5. So we need to calculate the quotient till the exact multiple first. So if this is exact multiple of 5, 5 6 are 30. So this will be also 6 times, this will be 12 days. So for this question, bache, answer will be equal to 12 days. So like alternately 3 2 3 2 3 2, they will take 12 days to finish up the total work. Okay, this is the question. All right, but sometimes this is not the exact multiple of this. So what we'll do, I'll tell you in the next coming question. Let's see this question. First do this question 34 and 35. Do these questions, and then I'll tell you in this question that if this is not an exact multiple, how we'll proceed with the question. Okay, so do question number 34 and 35, bache. 34 35. Do this and then I'll tell you the technique to do in which the exact multiple is not there. Okay students, tell me for 35th, बच्चे tell me what is the right answer. For 35th, let's see, A can complete the work in 12 days and B in 18 days. So the LCM will be 36. So this is 3 and this is 2. So A begins the work and then alternatively they are working. So A, B and so on. So this is 3 and this is 2. Okay, so 34th we were doing first. 34th is easy. 34 is A 10 and B 15. So this is 30. So we did solve this question. 12 hours was the right answer. That means 9 AM plus 12 hours becomes 9 PM. So this for 34th, I hope this was done by me earlier. That was 9 days or 9 hours, because this is hours. Alternately they are coming for hours. So 9 hours will be the right answer. 12 hours will be the right answer. 12 hours after 9 AM becomes 9 PM. Okay. Okay. Now 35th question is this. So 3 plus 2 becomes 5 in 2 days. Now the work done has to be 36. Now we take the exact multiple of 5 nearest to 36, that is 35. And this is 7 times. So this will take how many days? This is into 7 here also. So this takes 14 days to finish. Okay. So 14 days for 35 work, and out of 36, 35 is done. One work is left. So one work who will take now? Let's see. So A and B have done their cycle together, complete cycles they have done for A and B. So now A will come up. So A will complete 3 work in 1 day. So efficiency of A's efficiency is 3. And now what the work is left is, for A, work left is actually 1. So time taken by A will be work done upon efficiency, that means 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 days he will take more. So total time taken will be 14, 1 by 3, or we can say A option bache is the right answer. So 35, 14, 1 by 3 is absolutely right answer. Pia, Madhu, Nandini and Purna. Correct answer bache, 14, 1 by 3 is absolutely the right answer. Okay. So for 35th question, A option is the right answer. Okay. Now let's do 36th question. I hope it is clear, 35th one. Now do 36th question and then I'll take up the question by Pawan. Pawan, are you there? Pawan, yes, are you there? Yes, but let us see. Question number 36. Ahmed A does the work in 20 days. B does the work in 40 days. And C does the work in 80 days. Okay. This is the question that is given to us. Now we have this as total work, that is 80. This is 4, 2 and 1. Okay. Now A started working. Then B came alternatively. And then C came alternatively, and then so on, they are coming together. Okay. So this cycle for 3 days we will see. For 3 days what will happen? This 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 work is done in 3 days. So we need to do 80 work. First we take this as the nearest multiple, that is 77 work. So this is 11 times, so this will be 11 times means 33. 33 days will be done. Okay, so this is 11 times means 33. Now the work left over is 3. Now because this cycle gets complete 11 times, so next person that will be coming will be A. So A efficiency is 4, work done is 3, so 3 upon 4 is the total time. Total time will be work divided by its efficiency, that is 3 by 4. So this he will take 3 by 4 more days. So this is the total work that will be done, 33, 3 by 4, or we can say D option bache will be the right answer. So D is the correct answer for 33rd, so 36. For 36 question, 33, 3 by 4 is the right answer. Very good. Okay, so Nandini and Netra and Purna, correct answer bache, very good. 33, 3 by 4 is right. So I hope I think Pawan is not there. Pawan is not responding. So let's go on to the next question, that is, let's see alternate type of question, 37, 38 and 39. Let's do these questions, 37, 38, 39. Okay, do it fast. You have 2 minutes to solve 3 questions. So 2 minutes you have. Fatavat se karo. Alternately they are coming. So this is 12, 15 and 20. So LCM will be 60. This is 5. This is 4 and this is 3. 5, 4 and 3 means 5 work done by A, 4 by B and 3 by C. So 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3 is 12 work is done in 3 days. So 12 work in 3 days. So total 60 work will be done in how many days? This is multiplied by 5. This is multiplied by 5 means 15 days. So they will take how many days? 15 days is the right answer. The whole work gets complete in 15 days will be the right answer for 37th. Okay, so do it fast. 37, 15 is right. Now do 38 and 39 question. 38 and 39 question. Do it fast and complete these 2 questions so that we can go on to the next type of question now. So next type we will start after these 2 questions, 38 and 39. Do it fast, bache. Yes, for 38th question, let's see 38th now. I hope it is done by all. 38 says 18, 20 and 24. The LCM will be 360. How to calculate the LCM? 18, 20 and 24. We know that for 18 and 24 the LCM is 72. So we now calculate the ratio of 72 and 20. we cancel them by 4. So this is 18 forza and this is 5 forza. So we cross multiply. 72 into 5 is 360 and 20 into 18 is again 360. So we have the LCM as 360. Okay. So this is 20 and this is 18 and this is 15. So when we started with A, then B, then C, then repeating. Okay. So this is 20 plus 18 plus 15 will give us total as 20, 30, 40, 50, 53 total work is done in 3 days time. Okay. In 3 days time, 53 total work is done. And now we want to we need to calculate the exact multiple of 53 nearest to 36. So 53 into 7 into 7, 53 into 6 will give us 318. So 318, this is 6 times. So this also 6 times becomes 18 days. And now what is left out of 360 minus 318 is, this is 42. 42 is left over. So 42 I will divide it up in 20 plus 18, 38 plus 4. 20, 18 and 4. 20, 18 and the remaining 4 is done by him. So 18 days here, 1 more day here, 1 more day here by A and B, and then C does the work. So 18 plus 2 is 20 and the work given to C is 4 with an efficiency of 15. That means 4 upon 15 is the total time. So 24 by 15 will be the right answer. For 38, A option is the right answer, bache. So for 38 correct, Madhu says 24 by 5, 4 by 15. Purna 24 by 15, Nandini 24 by 15 correct answer, Netra 24 by 15 is correct. Okay, so this way bache 38th question will have the answer as A option is the right answer. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. Yes, clear? Okay. No, so now let us do the last question for the alternatively, then I will take up the next concept, that is men, women and man, days and work concept. Okay, so let's do this one now. Question number 39. 39 question says A does the work in 12 days, B in 15 and C in 20 days. A is coming daily and B and C alternately. So A is daily and so on, this way. So we'll take the cycle of 2 days. Okay, so let's see, this LCM will be 60. 60 divided by 12 is 5, 4 and 3. So this is 5, this is 5, this is 4 and this is 3. So this is 8 and this is 7. This is again 8, 7, 8, 7 and so on. So in 2 days, bache, 15 work is done. 8 plus 7 is 15 work in 2 days time. Okay, so this 15 work in 2 days time. So now we need to calculate 60 work we need to do in how much time. This will be taken by, this will be done by in 8 days time. So 8 days will be the right answer. Let's see if this is clear. The work will be completed in how many time, how much, sorry, this is 5 plus 4, that is, sorry, 9, and this is 5 plus 4, that is 9, and this is 8, sorry, this is 9, this is 8 and so on. So total will be 5 plus 9 plus 8, that is 17 work done in 2 days time. Okay, so the exact multiple of 17 nearest to 60 will be 51. 51 work in 3 times, that means 6 days they will do 51 work. Okay, so this complete cycle is done for 3 times cycle. 3 times this cycle is complete. Okay, and then after this cycle gets complete, so the persons working will be A and B together again. Okay, so they will complete the work, 9 work in 1 day. So 9 work will be done in 1 day. So total work gets completed 60 in how many days? 6 plus 1 is 7 days they will complete the work. So answer will be bache 7 is the right answer. Okay. So for 39th question, definitely right. 9 and 8 was the main efficiency of AB and AC together. Correct, Netra? So for 39th question, for 39th question, 7 days will be the right answer. Correct answer, bache. Very good. Okay. So for this, B option is the right answer. So let's move on to the next concept thing. Okay. So next concept. This is the second last concept of the day. So let's see, bache. The second concept for the day is man, days, hours, work, and efficiency. So what is the relation between all these? Okay. So we have that if man increases, bache, if the man increases, work done will automatically increase. If the total number of men are employed are more, so definitely the work done complete will be more. Okay. So if this is more, this is more, this is less, this is less, that means total number of men is directly proportional to number of work done, amount of work done. So this is the first relation. Okay. If days are more, I have more days, so I can do more work. If I have less days, I can do less work. So this is also, if this increase, this increase, this decrease, decrease. So days is directly inversely also directly proportional to work done. Okay. Similarly, I have more hours, work will be more. I have less hours, work will be less. So hours is also directly proportional to the work done. Okay. So this is first, second, third. Work done is done. Now efficiency. If the person has more efficiency, if he is more capable to do certain work, so he will do more work, and if he has less efficiency, less work. So this efficiency is also directly proportional to work. So we have 4 relationships, that men, days, hours, and efficiency is directly proportional to work done. So this is the relation that we use. Okay, bache, let's see. M, D, H and E directly proportional to means is equal to K times work. So we bring work here. So this thing is always a constant. K is a constant that I have applied. If I remove a directly proportional sign and I have to put equal to sign, so we put K also. Okay. So this is a mathematical notation that we need to use. Whenever we remove alpha sign, we put equal to K sign, constant. So that means this is always constant, means that the M1 D1 H1 into E1 upon W1 will always be same. That means will be equal to M1 D M2 D2 H2 into E2 divided by W2. This will be M3 D3 H3 E3 divided by W3 and so on. So this is what we need to understand. This is the main important crux of this whole thing, that M D H E divided by W remains constant always. So this will be a constant value always. Okay. So this will always remain constant. Okay, so this is the most important thing that we will be using in our next questions. Okay, so I'll give you situation first, then we'll apply this concept. I hope this is clear to all of you. Let's see one situation, that is, I have 10 men who work for 20 days and they work 8 hours per day. And they cut 50 trees. Okay. Now we have another situation. This is 20 women. Okay. This is 6 hours per day they work. and they cut 30 trees. Okay, they cut 30 trees. Let us see, this is one situation. So how many days they will take to finish up the work, and what is given to us is, this is men and this is women, so they are not equal because this is men, this is women. So now we are given that men is twice efficient as women. Okay, bache, let us see the situation that is there. So men is twice efficient than women. It is given to us. Okay. So let us see, the efficiency of man is twice as women. That means if women has efficiency of 1, efficiency is 1. So man is twice. So man will have 2 efficiency. This is efficiency is 2. So now we have learned that M1, that is 10, MD into H into E by 50 is equal to, number of women is 20 into question mark into 6 into 1 upon 30. This is equal, so we can calculate the value of question mark now. Okay, so what we do is we cancel 20 with 20, this cancels. Okay, this is 6 5s are, this cancels, this 5 cancels with this 5, and this 0 cancels with this 0. So we have question mark here. So question mark is equal to 8 into 2, that is 16. So in this question, this will be 16 days is the right answer, bache. Okay, so in this manner we will be able to solve such kind of question with the help of this formula, which says that M1 D1 E1, M1 D1 H1 E1 by W1 is always a constant. Okay, so this is a formula that we can use, but we will not use in this manner. Let's see how we can use. Let's see, bache, how we will use. So we need to calculate this value of days. Okay, so firstly you write down, this is 10 men and this is 20 women. So 10 upon 20 you write down first. This is 10, first situation. This is second situation. So 10 on the top and 20 below. Okay, now days, 20 will come on the top, 10 by 20 first. Next 20 days upon question mark days. This is first parameter, this is second parameter. Third parameter is 8 by 6, upper 8 niche 6, and this is 30 trees and 50 trees and 30 trees. Because we know that, bache, W is in the denominator part, so we will first write down, we'll interchange them. So 30 comes here and 50 goes here. So 30 ऊपर लिखेंगे, 50 नीचे लिखेंगे, and then 2 upon 1. This is the ratio of efficiency. So only thing that we need to invert is, bache, what? The work done we need to invert. That's it. Okay, rest all remains same. The work done you need to invert. Now we need to cancel. Let's see what we cancel. 20 20 goes. This is 0 and 0 goes. This is 3 2s are 6 goes. This is 5 2s are 10 goes. So we are left with ऊपर क्या बचा बच्चों? 16 and नीचे question mark. So question mark will be equal to 16 days is the right answer. Okay. So in this manner we will solve such kind of questions. Okay. So I hope this is clear. So in this manner we will be able to solve such kind of question in which we are given men, women, days, and work is also given. So we calculate the fraction of all these. In which parameter we need to invert? We need to invert for work done. We need to have the opposite fraction, that is 30 on the top and 50 below. Okay. So in this way we will be able to solve this question as 16 days will be the right answer. Okay. So I'll give you more question based on this, but first, is it clear or not? Are you getting the things? or not? Tell me in the comments, then we will solve the further questions based on this. Let's see, students. Yes, is it clear or not, bache? Tell me. Let's solve the first question from assignment book, that is 40th question, 16 persons. Okay, let us solve this question now. 16 persons, 14 days, 16 persons, 14 days, 8 persons, how many days? Okay, this is man and days. Okay, so what we do is we write 16 divided by 8 into 14 divided by question mark. This is 2. 14 into 2 is 28. So 28 will be the right answer. 28 days will be the right answer. So this ratio and this ratio. We need not invert the ratio because nothing is given as work. So work will remain same. Okay. So 28 will be the right answer. Or directly we can do, bache, we need not apply this technique also. Directly we can do when there is only man days given. So man into days, 16 into 8 divided by 14. 16 into 8 divided by 14. Sorry, 16 man, 14 days, man into days divided by total men here and days here. So this cancels with 2. 14 into 2 is 28. So 28 will be the right answer. Okay, so 28 is the right answer. Let's move on to 41st. 8 women, 15 hours. 12 women, how many hours? So this into this upon this. So this is 2 upon 3. This is 5 2 10 is the right answer. 10 hours is the right answer. So always when the work is same, bache, when work is same, man into hours, man into days is equal to man into days, always. If they have the same efficiency, the number of, if the men are same here and same here, same persons. Okay. Okay. Let's see 6 men. 6 men, 32 hours. 16 men, how many hours? We know that this into this is equal to this. So this is question mark will be 12 hours. So 12 hours is the right answer. Okay. So for 42, 12 is the right answer. Purna, correct answer, bache, very good. 42, 12 is the right answer. Correct answer. Okay. Let's see another. 43, 44, 45, do it first. This is men. This is men. So first take the ratio. 45 divided by 60. This is days. And we don't know the days. So above 30 and denominator question mark. And this is 12 and this is 10. So 12 upon 10. So this is 1 by 2. This is 2 6s. This is 9 5s, 2 5s. This is 2 3s. So question mark will be equal to 27 is the right answer. We take the ratio. Okay. Take the ratio carefully because if the work is also given, then we need to invert the ratio of work. Okay. This work is given now. This, let's see. 10 men. If 2 men leave, that means now it is 8 men. Okay. Earlier it was 2 hours. Now it is 3 hours. And how many trees? This is question mark. So we invert. We take question mark upon 15. Okay. So this goes, this is 4s. This is 2, this is 3s. This is 2 2s. So this is 3 3 9 2s 18. So question mark will be equal to 18 is the right answer. So 18 trees is the right answer. Question mark by 18, we take it as 1. So question mark will be equal to 18 is the right answer. So 18 trees will be the answer for 44th question. Okay. Let's do 45th now. Easy question again. Very easy. 45th says 9 cats These are actually number of men, and this is the total work that is done in 9 days. This is days. So 9 upon 9 cats, and this time it is 18 cats. Okay, and the ratio of days is 9 upon question mark, and the work done is basically inverted. So 18 goes to the top, 18 goes to the top, and 9 comes below. Okay, so this 18 gets cancelled, this is cancelled, so 9 by question mark is 1, so question mark will be equal to 9 days is the right answer. Okay, so if 9 cats kill 9 rats in 9 days, so 18 cats will kill 18 rats in how many days? Again the same, because the number of men have increased in same ratio, in the same proportion as the number of work has increased, so the days will remain same, that is 9 days is the right answer again. So for 45th, 9, yani B option is correct. Madhu correct, Nandini, Purna correct answer. Very good. Okay, so let's see another question. Let's see, this is contractor and garrison based questions. Okay, so how we gonna start or do these questions? Let us see now. Okay, I hope it is clear till here. It is clear. Now this is contractor and garrison based question. Let's see the first of the question, that is question of 46. An engineer undertakes a project to build up a road of 15-kilometer road. So he takes up 15-kilometer road. That means this is work to be done. Okay, in 300 days, 300 days is the number of time taken, and employed 45 men for it. So he employed 45 men to complete this work. Okay, so these three parameters are given to you in the first line. Okay, so this was, he planned to do this. He planned to do this. This was the planning part. First understand what I am doing. Okay, but what is the reality? What is done? Work done. He was able to do just 2.5 kilometers of road he was able to make in 100 days with those men. That is 45 men were able to perform just 2.5 kilometers of road for 100 days. Okay, this was actually work done. And now the work pending is, because 15 kilometers was the total plan, so 15 minus 12, 2.5 is basically 12.5 kilometers is left pending, and total days is 200 days are pending, and 45 men cannot accomplish this, because if this is to be done in 200 days, this will only be made 5 kilometer more, but they need to make 12.5 kilometer more. Okay, so number of men will be employed will be more than before. Okay, so let's see how many men will be employed. So this was the planned way, but it did not execute, so we cancel this. So we have two situations, 1 and 2. Okay, now the number of men here and here, we can divide them. Question mark, this is pending, and divide by 45, and here it is 200 days, this is 100. We divide this to this, this to this, and this will be invert. That means this to this. Invert will be 2.5 in the numerator and 12.5 in the denominator. So this is 5 times. Okay, so this goes, this will be question mark, divided by 45 into 5 is 5 for the 20, 225, and into 2, this gets cancelled, this is 112.5. so question mark will be equal to 112.5. 112.5 men are there, they cannot be 0.5 men, so we take this as 113 men. So there will be 113 men, and out of these we have already 45 men we have here. So what are the more men, extra men will be required, will be 113 minus 45, that will be 55, 65, 65, 63, 68. Okay, so 68 men will be more required to do this kind of work. Okay, so you need to do this question in these 3 steps. This was the planned step that never executed. This was the step that we could execute, and this after execution, this is still pending. So we compare pending with what is done. Okay, so pending with done, we calculate by question mark by 45. This is 200 by 100, and this is invert because this is work. So 2.5 divided by 12.5. So this is 1 by 5. So this will come out to be 112.5. This is 113 minus 45. This is 68. More men will be required to do this kind of job if they need to finish the work on time. Okay, so this is the question, and this is the solution how we can solve such kind of question. Is it clear or not? Tell me in the comments, bache. This is clear or not? This is clear. We move on to the next question, that is garrison based question, that is question of 47. Yes, tell me in the comments, this is clear or not? Yes, tell me. Clear? Purna clear, Nandini clear, Madhu clear. Okay, very good बच्चों, बहुत बढ़िया. And yes, Netra clear. Okay, very good. Pia, Pavan, are you there or not? So the rest of the students, is it clear? Should we move on to the next question? That is question number. So this answer is 68. Next we go move on to 47 question. Let's see what the question is. So we have 2200 men as a provision for 16 weeks at the rate of 45 dag per day. This is dag per day per man, means this is the efficiency. This is efficiency. So how many men must leave? We don't know the second situation, men. Provision is for 24 weeks and the efficiency is 33. So we have bache men, days and efficiency. You know that for men, days and efficiency, we need not invert the ratio. So we can directly make the ratio as this, this and this. Okay, we need not invert the ratio because we don't have the work done. So we can directly take the ratio as multiply all these values. Okay, so let's see, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 3 15s. Okay, this is 3 11s, this is 2 11s, and this is 2 5s. So 5 to the 10 to the 20, this is 20 and 2 more zeros. So question mark will be 2000 men. So here the question mark value is 2000. Okay, so earlier it was 2200 men and now there are 2000 men. So how many men must leave the garrison? So how many left from here to here? 200 men left. So this answer will be A part is the right answer, bache. So answer will be A will be the right answer. Pawan, are you there? Okay. So I'll solve your question also, Pavan. What you gave? Just a second. First do this. 47 question is done. Yes, Nandini, clear? 200 is right. Netra, 100 is not right, bache. 200 is the right answer. Okay, first do this question. If it is clear, tell me in the comments. Then I'll do few more questions based on this, and one of the questions that Pavan asked, I will do it right now after this type of question is complete. Okay, so 200 will be the right answer. We can directly take the ratio. Okay, let's see another question. Let's see question of 48. Question of 48. Okay, 48 question says 20 men can finish the work in 30 days, working 5 hours per day. Then how many 15 men of another group? This is group 1, bache. This is group 2. Okay, twice of the work. If this work is 1, so this work is 2. twice the work they need to do, and 6 hours per day, and in how many days they will complete. So this is question mark. If it is given that 2 men of group 1 is equal to 3 men of group 2, so group 1 by group 2, basically बच्चे क्या होगा, efficiency will be 3:2. So this is 3 and this is 2. Efficiency is given, men are given, days are given, hours are given, and work is given. So you can directly calculate the values. If this is clear to you all, you can directly calculate the ratio, this ratio, this ratio, this ratio, this ratio, but we need to invert this ratio as 2/1 because the work has to be inverted. So this is the work, twice the work, that means 2 goes on the top and 1 comes below. Okay, so we need to invert the ratio of only work, rest remains same. Okay, so 15 into 2, 15 into 2 becomes 30, this is gone, and 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are, it's gone. Everything is done. Now we have 100 upon question mark is left. So question mark will be equal to 100. So 100 days will be required. That means C option is the right answer. Okay. So this was the question in which all the things are mentioned, that is men, work, efficiency, and also hours also, and all the things, all the 5 things are mentioned here.